Yo, what's good? It's the kid from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. Alright, so here's the situation. I did not plan on doing this, but speaking of one of my GHL homies, they told me, why not educate the people? So here we go. I'm about to make a makeshift, like I kind of started, but I'm about to just make a makeshift raised bed real quick. Alright, I don't really know all the ideas and the particulars to it yet, but I'm gonna make it drew what it drew. You understands me? Alright, so let's not waste no more time and get into the business. By the way, you know I'm out here trying to support, so holla at my mans and them over at Ozark's Life. You dig what I'm saying? I'll make sure to put a link or something below. Alright, let's get to it. Forgot my gardening gloves. Alright, so I'm back. Got my gardening gloves. Alright. Like I said, I don't got nothing special planned. I'm gonna just make this, might do some adjustments as we go. And of course, to continue to shout out to my partner, man, get that Ozark's Life gear. Alright. It's official. Got the joint on the back. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. If it cut out, I can't see behind me, obviously, but hey, let's get to it. Ozark's Life in this one. Appreciate you, brother. Let's go. Now, depending on how deep you need it, you can actually turn these up and have them sit long way for a deeper bed. These are just some pavers I found real quick, so just making it do what it do. Sorry if my pants are being disrespectful. I apologize. Got the thing tight as I can get it. Alright, y'all, so to save some time, I'm gonna finish this and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Apologize about that TV timeout right quick. Alright, tripod gang in the building. Alright, so this is what I got done so far. I got the cardboard and stuff down. So I wanted to show y'all something real quick. If you go with this option here, right, then the good thing about using these pavers is that depending on what size or how deep you need your garden, you could actually set them up long ways if you need something deeper for a deeper crop or whatnot. But for right now, I'm gonna just set it up right here because it's a spur of the moment thing. I'm just setting it up right here so that we can go ahead and get the material put down and all that. So I got a little bit more to do on that far side. I don't have any more cardboard. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put down brown paper bags. So I'll be right back. All right, so I just got some brown paper bags, and I apologize. You'll see that I had to change my pants. I'm up here trying to garden for the community. I'm trying to shout out my homeboy for Ozark's Life Clothing, and every time I bend over, I'm promoting draws. You know what I'm saying? Showing y'all some Tommy Tuck butt type stuff. That ain't cool. So change the pants. I don't know how many of y'all really pay attention to that, but if anybody was noticing that, I just want to say I apologize for that. Let's get busy. All right, so there you go. It doesn't look pretty right now, but I hate to say it like my homeboy Randy or as Skinny Boy Farm says, we ain't trying to be pretty, we trying to be productive. Okay, okay. So check it out. Basically all I did is just put down some cardboard. I'm going over the existing ground there. Like I said, it's a spur of the moment thing. You might be thinking of the paper sticking up and all that, which it is. We're about to handle that. So I got some compost right here that we've been cooking, baking, making it happen. And shout out to Essie for getting the golden shovel. I didn't get it, but she deserved it. Good job, Mom. Shout out to Lev for giving her that one. But now, stepping up into the square circle, hailing from the middle of the map, coming in tall, dark, and handsome, all that and then some. Who wrote that? Hey, who put that in the cards? Anyway, can you dig it? Let's go. And what's this we hear? It looks like the garden max tapped out. He's not digging anymore. What could he possibly be up to? Looks like he's flexing his sweatshirt. Interesting. All right. Off the top rope. Hey! I know he's not going to do what I think he's about to do. Jim, isn't this cheating? No, it's not. It looks like he's going in all the way. Oh, no. He is dumping all the compost. Ah, the crowd goes wild. The mycorrhizae, they are free. They're doing what they love. We've all witnessed history here. Oh my God, can you believe it? He is the greatest. Got a problem. I do not have enough compost. But I think you get the idea. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to the drawing board and figure out where I can get some more dirt from. Probably have to go to the garden and bodega spot. They know me. They know how I get down. But anyway, got to get this right. Got to get it set up, and I'll probably come back and show you when I put stuff in there. All right. So basically, here we go. Got this all fixed up, nice and neat, right? There we go. Made my own mix for this. I wouldn't advise the way I made it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kicking myself in the butt right now. Way too much money for something this small, right? So I apologize. Well, I can't apologize to y'all. I need to apologize to myself. But anyway, basically right now what I've done is I went above and beyond on creating a makeshift kitty litter box, right? Because if I don't hurry up and get something in here, these wildcats gonna come out here and just be out there. Oh, meow. Oh, meow. Nah, not here, player. But yeah, it goes down like that. So, just want to show y'all this. Y'all, so I got to get on like I've been spit on. You dig? All right, so what I did is basically close the gate. You dig? So, funny thing is, after I told y'all that, went inside to get some stuff, and right over yonder, I came out. There was a cat, butt open. And I kept running towards it, and I was like, why is he not leaving? I got closer. He was hunched over, butt open, meowing, and duking. So, you can't get the litter today. Nah, sucker. You ain't paying rent around here. God, I ain't got no sense. But yeah, so this is it for now. I got some more stuff to do today, so I'm gonna leave it here, but I might also use this as a planting guide. You know, this is just experimental real quick, so I may just use every other one of these for seed planting or something, like here, checkerboard or something, you know, get something real nice. This is dappled shade, so maybe some lettuce or something like that. I don't know, man, but it's not that hard, y'all. Like I always say,
I got love for those that got love for me. Much love from the middle of the map. Bye.
Peace.